Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. We're gonna do some breakfast today. Um, we're gonna do sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, and I'll explain about the biscuits here in a little bit. But first, I finally got the Root Boy Cooks magnet. Sal sent that to me. He had these made up recently, and I am special enough to have one here on my Blackstone. Thank you, Sal. The Root Boy Cooks, most of you know him. If you're new here and you don't know him, go over there. He doesn't need a shout out from me. He's very popular. Awesome guy to watch. So thank you, Sal. So sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, no big deal. It's not really about that. It's about the biscuits. Check it out. I had some surprise guest came over to the house yesterday. Zeb Allgood and his wife Ange. Ange made these biscuits. Now look at these things. And we got them. They dropped them off yesterday. They're on their way up to Oklahoma City, and they were nice enough to bring these by. So we had a quick little visit. Totally forgot to get a picture of myself with them, but there'll be more opportunities for that. But these are some of the best looking biscuits we have ever seen. We just wanted to devour them yesterday. I'm like, hold on, we're going to do a video. And that's what we're going to do. So we're using Ange's biscuits. Again, thank you, Zeb and Ange. This is awesome. Mama Ange is what they call her. And good old Zeb. They don't have a YouTube channel, but they're a great supporter of ours. And a lot of you know Zeb from comments and him supporting your channel too. So, man, oh man, let's get this going. It's going to be an easy cook. And they gave me this nice little letter too. It's going to be an easy cook. We're just going to do some sausage. It's pre-cooked. Jimmy Dean, one of my favorites. Very easy to do. It's already pre-cooked, and we're just going to warm them up. But we thought it was a good size for that biscuit. And then we're just going to do some eggs in the Blackstone egg ring tray. Let's turn this down a little bit. I just have these two burners on for now. And let's get these open. Yeah, these Jimmy Dean, these pre-cooked, are just sausage. They have a great flavor. They're a little pricey for the poor guy, but sometimes you just want convenience. And this is one of those times if I can get this open. There we go. Things are working out. So yeah, Zeb Allgood and Ange, great people. They support a lot of channels, and they're just all around awesome people. I've met Zeb before on a couple different occasions, but I never met Ange, and she's a sweetheart, no doubt about it. Let me pick that up. All right, let's get these sausage cooked up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to warm up the sausage. We'll get the eggs going. We're going to use the egg ring tray. I'm just doing 4 eggs for today because the 4 of us are going to eat them. And then we're going to use, I mean, there's 12 biscuits there. So we're going to put some jelly, and we're going to maybe tomorrow morning do some sausage gravy on them. Yeah, awesome. So what we're going to do is we'll get these cooking up. And I'm going to have Dawn go in and very tenderly slice 4 of them in half. And at the end, I'm going to put them out here on the griddle and get them warmed up a little bit with some butter. So come on back. We'll get those cooking up a little bit. We'll get the eggs going. We'll build these sandwiches and just see how good these biscuits are. Okay, come on back here in a second. Peace. Okay, Dawn went in and sliced up the biscuits. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's get our eggs going. We're just going to do 4 of them. I'm not too particular when it comes to beautiful looking eggs because it's really not. It's about the biscuits today. That's what it's about. This Blackstone egg ring tray comes in handy for making pretty eggs. I tried to level off the Blackstone a little bit, but yeah, it's seeping out. For now, we'll put them there. Let's get these eggs going. They won't take long. And then I ended up turning these 2 burners over here on low. Everything's on low right now. And I'm going to go ahead and get some butter down for these biscuits because it won't take long at this point. The eggs shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to throw some butter down in the Blackstone. Not too much. Get that melted. And get our biscuits on there. We're going with pepper jack cheese today. Why? Because it's on sale for $1.97. Yeah, it's not the best. There's no doubt about it. It was $1.97. That's not bad for sliced cheese. I'm just saying. Remember the name of my channel, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, right? Things are coming along nicely here. Our eggs are setting up. Our butter is melting. Yeah, that might be a little bit too much butter, but there's no such thing as too much butter. By the way, Mama Ange, you have reached Dawn's weakness. Biscuits are, she loves them so much, and she's been eyeballing these ever since she got home from work yesterday. All right, let me get my biscuits on there. I'll go behind Dawn so I don't reach in front of everybody. Oh yeah, I can break the yolks. Yeah, no problem. Sure. Boop. Yeah, I'll break those yolks. Do they need a flip yet? I'll give them a little bit more. Let's get my biscuits on there. Oh yeah. They feel nice and soft. They didn't fall apart too much when Dawn cut them. I don't know, she might have snuck one in there while I wasn't looking. All right, let's remove this thing. See if we can get these eggs flipped over nicely. I don't know, we'll see. That one worked. That one worked. Holy crap, poor guy, look at you go. I should have said that.
Yeah, one more.
Okay, that worked out pretty good. I think that's going to be a good size between the sausage and the egg. It's going to fit on there nicely. And we'll assemble them in the house. I don't need to get the cheese all melty, I don't think. It'll melt a little bit because they're still going to be warm. But let's finish these suckers off. We'll bring them in the house. I don't know if the entire review crew is going to take part. I would think, because everybody's been wanting these biscuits, and they are both awake. So we'll see how that goes. And we'll bring them in the house, get them assembled, and of course, we're going to eat them. All right. Meet me in the house if you would. That'd be great. Peace. Assembly time. Check everything out. Really, that's the start of the show. The biscuits. And it just so happened that a little piece fell off out there, and I gave it a sample.
I didn't even taste it.
Lord have mercy. I took my mic off because we do have the review crew here, and everybody wants to participate. No dirt. Let's go ahead and get these assembled. Now again, I just toasted up those just a little bit. Let's do the egg. And let's throw a piece of cheese in between. Now cheese isn't going to get all melted, but it'll be good enough. And then we'll throw a sausage on there. Look at that cute little sausage. And we'll top it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's get these done. I do egg. And these
egg, cheese, sausage.
Egg, cheese, it's sausages. And then we'll do the biscuits already have a little bit of butter on it, so we don't really need any more. And again, we've got 8 more of these delicious puppies to eat, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
This looks so good.
Cheese. Please. A little pepper jack, nothing wrong with that. Oh, who cut this one? We'll give that one
I
to Tori.
cut all of them. I'll take that one. I don't care what it
It
looks like.
doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, cheese. Oh yeah. Little sausage. And another bun. Okay. Let me go ahead and get a thumbnail, wash my hands, and then we're going to try these out. Peace. Okay, here we go. They're all assembled. We got our thumbnail, and we're going to give these a try. Tori, step right up here.
Okay.
You got that all right, honey?
I do.
Oh my goodness. Is that a beautiful sandwich or what?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Cheers, everybody. Oh, Lord.
That's so soft.
Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven right now.
That's a biscuit.
That's the best biscuit I've ever had.
Yeah, they're freaking amazing.
I'm not even
Oh.
exaggerating. Like, that's like the softest biscuit I've ever had.
Love it. Thank you, Ange.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zeb.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Ange.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, those are so good.
Wow, these are amazing. I mean, you can't go wrong with a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. And it literally needs nothing else on it. The biscuits have such a unique flavor that I don't know. They're amazing.
We're gonna have a good breakfast.
Uh-huh.
And
That's very yummy.
that'll fill you up right there.
Yep.
Zeb and Ang Allgood, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And Zeb said when he, was giving me these, he said, they're not for free. We're not giving you these for free. And Mama Ange looked at me very sweetly and said, I really like Don's sourdough recipe, which we sent. So we did a little exchange there, I guess. Zeb, I didn't wear the apron today because, I got to keep it clean for you one of these days. All right, that's it. Poor guy out there cooking. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know the Root Boy, where you been? If you're new here, the Root Boy Cooks, make sure you check his channel out. And then those of you that know Zeb and Ange, good people, great people. Thanks again. Poor guy. Peace.